The old lighthouse on Black Rock Cliff had been dark for 10 years. Local people said the sea had taken the last keeper's mind. But young Maya did not believe ghost tales. She loved the roaring ocean and wanted to bring the light back. One stormy evening, the wind howled like a hurt beast. Maya packed a heavy coat, a box of matches, and a small metal lantern. She walked up the steep stone path. The rain hit her face like cold needles. The giant metal door of the tower was unlocked, groaning in the heavy wind. Inside, the air smelled of salt, old dust, and damp wood. She climbed the spiraling iron stairs. Each step felt heavy. At the top, the massive glass room shook under the fierce gale. Dark shadows danced as lightning flashed through the windows. Maya found the giant brass lamp in the center. Her hands shook as she cleaned the thick glass. She struck a match. The tiny flame flickered in the draft. She held her breath and touched the fire to the wick. A bright golden glow burst into life. It cut through the dirty glass and sliced across the black waves outside. Far out at sea, a lost fishing boat flashed its horn, turning toward the safe harbor. Maya smiled. The dark tower was alive again.